Let's do a fishtail ponytail. You're going to start by sectioning the part into two. Grab a piece from each section. You're going to grab it, you're going to cross it over, hold it with your thumb. Grab the next piece, cross it over, hold it with your thumb. This part should be looking like an X. You're going to grab another piece, cross it over, hold it with your thumb. You're going to continue to do this all the way down. At this point, it should be looking like this. You're going to continue to pull and cross over, holding it with your thumb. You're going to continue these motions all the way down. This is how you achieve a fishtail ponytail. Thanks for watching. Let me know what else you would like to learn.